Ever wondered why wolves hunt in packs? It's not just for companionship, it's a survival strategy. You see, in the wild, wolves band together to form a pack, a tribe if you will, to increase their odds of survival. Their unity makes them more formidable. Their collective strength allows them to take down larger prey, and their shared resources ensure they all get to eat. But what if I told you that this pack mentality isn't exclusive to the animal kingdom? We humans, social creatures that we are, have a similar drive to band together. It's in our nature to form relationships, to build communities, to seek out others who share our interests, our passions, our goals. This is especially true when it comes to fitness. Enter the fitness tribe, a term you may have heard thrown around in the health and wellness circles. A fitness tribe is a group of individuals who come together with a shared goal of improving their health and fitness. But it's not just about getting those gains or shedding those pounds. Being part of a fitness tribe provides a sense of belonging, a sense of camaraderie that can make the journey towards a healthier lifestyle less daunting. You're not just a lone wolf trying to navigate the fitness wilderness. You're part of a pack, a team, a tribe, and together, you're stronger. Together, you push each other to lift heavier, to run faster, to go further. Together, you celebrate each other's victories, no matter how small. And together, you pick each other up during those inevitable setbacks. The science supports it, the anecdotes confirm it, and chances are, you've experienced it. That sense of unity, of shared purpose, of collective motivation that comes from being part of something bigger than yourself. It's the power of the pack, the strength of the tribe. Just like wolves, we humans may find strength, motivation, and success in our own fitness tribes. Science has a lot to say about the benefits of group workouts, and we've got the data to prove it. Let's dive right in, shall we? First off, we have motivation. According to a study done by the Society of Behavioral Medicine, participants who exercised with a group had significantly reduced stress levels than those who worked out alone. That's because being around others who are pushing their limits can inspire you to push yours. Next, we have accountability. The American Society of Training and Development found that people are a whopping 65% more likely to meet a goal after committing to another person. Your chances of success increase to an incredible 95% when you have a specific accountability appointment with the person to whom you've committed. Thirdly, let's talk about healthy competition. A study published in the Journal of Sport and Exercise Psychology found that people who exercised in a group improved their performance by as much as 200% compared to those who worked out alone. It's all about that friendly rivalry, folks. Fourth, group workouts lead to improved performance. A study from Kansas State University found that those who exercised with a team could push themselves up to 200% harder and longer than those who went at it solo. That's not just a little improvement, that's a game changer. Lastly, we have the release of endorphins. Those feel-good chemicals our brains release during exercise. According to Oxford University, exercising in a group can lead to a greater release of these endorphins compared to working out alone. So, there you have it. 5 compelling scientific reasons why finding your tribe can transform your fitness journey. From motivation to accountability, from friendly competition to improved performance, and let's not forget those endorphins. It's clear that exercising with a group can provide a myriad of benefits. As the saying goes, science doesn't lie, there's power in numbers. Let me share a story that puts all this science into perspective. Once upon a time, there was a woman named Ella. Ella was just like any of us. She had a 9-to-5 job, a small apartment, and a gym membership she barely used. Her health was on a downward spiral and she knew it, but the motivation to change was hard to come by. One day, Ella stumbled upon a group of fitness enthusiasts practicing in the park. Their energy and camaraderie were contagious. Ella was drawn in by their warmth, their laughter, and their shared pursuit of health. She decided to join them, and that decision changed her life. In this tribe, she discovered a sense of belonging she hadn't felt before. Every workout became an event she looked forward to. The tribe pushed Ella to limits she never thought she could reach. She found herself lifting heavier, running faster, and stretching further, but the transformation went beyond the physical. Ella found herself waking up with a newfound zest for life. She started making healthier choices in her diet. She felt more confident, more alive. Her work performance improved. She was happier, healthier, and more fulfilled. And it wasn't just Ella who experienced this transformation. The entire tribe was a testament to the power of collective motivation. They celebrated each other's victories, big and small, and supported each other through the tough times. The tribe became Ella's second family. They journeyed together towards better health, better fitness, and a better life. It wasn't just about working out anymore. It was about living life to the fullest, together. That's the power of a tribe. It can transform not just your workouts, but your life. Even the Bible acknowledges the power of unity. With that in mind, let's explore an ancient piece of wisdom that still resonates today. Ecclesiastes 4:9 and 10 says, "Two are better than one, because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up." Isn't that just the perfect metaphor for a fitness tribe? This biblical passage emphasizes the importance of unity and community. It's about lending a hand, picking up a fallen comrade, and the shared rewards of working together. It's not just about the physical act of helping someone up when they've stumbled, but also about the emotional and psychological support we can provide each other. When you're pushing for that last rep or struggling to finish that final mile, it's your tribe that cheers you on. They're the ones who see your effort, understand your struggle, and still believe in your potential. They won't let you quit. They help you up when you stumble and share in the joy of your successes. Translating this to the realm of fitness, it's easy to see the parallels. Like the two companions in Ecclesiastes, members of a fitness tribe support each other, share the burden of the workout, and celebrate their collective achievements. They push each other to reach new heights, to surpass their perceived limitations, and to become the best versions of themselves. So, when you're running side by side with your tribe, remember this biblical wisdom. You're not just working out, you're living out an age-old principle of community and mutual support. It's not just about getting fit or hitting some arbitrary goal. It's about the journey you take together, the bonds you forge, and the strength you build as a collective. The ancient wisdom of the Bible echoes the modern science of fitness. Together, we're stronger. So the next time you lace up your sneakers and head out the door, remember, your tribe is there with you every step of the way. So, ready to find your tribe? First off, let's remember that the right fitness tribe for you is as unique as you are. It's not about finding the biggest or the most popular group. It's about finding a tribe that resonates with your fitness goals, your personality, and your lifestyle. Start by identifying what you're looking for. Are you seeking a tribe that loves high-intensity interval training? Or perhaps you're more into yoga and mindfulness. Maybe you're looking for a tribe that's all about outdoor adventures, or perhaps a group that's into competitive sports is more your speed. Whatever it is, be clear about what you want. Next, do your research. Social media platforms, fitness apps, and local community boards are great places to start. Search for groups that align with your interests and don't be afraid to reach out and ask questions. Remember, you're not just looking for a workout group, you're looking for a tribe. A community that supports and motivates each other. Now, once you've found a potential tribe, give it a test run. Most tribes will allow you to join a session or two before committing. This is your chance to see if the tribe's vibe matches your expectations. Pay attention to how the group interacts, the level of support and encouragement, and whether you feel comfortable and inspired. Finally, once you've found your tribe, make the most of it. Participate actively, offer support to others, and don't shy away from challenging yourself. Your tribe is there to lift you up, to push you when you think you can't go further, and to celebrate with you when you reach new heights. And remember, it's okay if the first tribe you try isn't the perfect fit. Finding your tribe might take a few tries, but when you find the right one, it will be worth it. Remember, your tribe is out there waiting for you. All you have to do is take the first step. For those who've stuck around, here's a little bonus for you. Let's celebrate the power of the tribe with some real-life success stories that truly inspire. First up, meet Jane. A year ago, Jane was struggling with her weight, feeling sluggish and unmotivated. Then she found her tribe, a group of early morning runners who were as enthusiastic about fitness as they were about watching sunrises. With their support and camaraderie, Jane has since completed her first half marathon and has shed over 30 pounds. More than that, she's found a new zest for life. Then there's Tom, a 50-something who hadn't set foot in a gym since high school. Tom discovered a tribe of weekend cyclists and was drawn to their spirit of adventure. Today, Tom's blood pressure is the best it's been in years, and he's discovered places in his hometown he never knew existed, all thanks to his cycling tribe. Let's not forget about Lisa, a busy mom who thought she had no time for exercise. She joined a tribe of yoga enthusiasts who met at a local park. With their encouragement, Lisa discovered the power of mindfulness and flexibility. Today, she feels more energized, less stressed, and can even do a headstand. And lastly, let's talk about Sam. Sam had always been a lone wolf when it came to working out until he found his tribe at a local CrossFit box. Pushed by the energy and the supportive atmosphere of his tribe, Sam is now in the best shape of his life. These stories are proof that when it comes to fitness, the tribe has your back. Finding your tribe can change your life, turning exercise from a chore into a celebration. So here's to the power of the tribe, to shared sweat and victories, to the friendships formed, and to the lives transformed. Remember, you're never alone in your journey to fitness. Your tribe is out there waiting for you. Now it's your turn to join the pack. You've seen the power of the tribe, you've heard the science behind it, listened to my own tale, and even got a glimpse of the biblical connection. The tribe is waiting for you with success stories that inspire and motivate. But it doesn't stop here. We want your story to join those ranks. So let's connect. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe so you don't miss out on more content like this. And don't be a stranger in the comment section. We want to hear about your experiences, your tribe, and your journey towards a healthier, happier self. Your story could be the spark that encourages someone else to take that first step. And remember, you're not alone in this. We're here, your tribe is here. So go ahead, find your tribe and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Until next time, peach and health to you.